So what is percentage? Percentage is a word which consists of three subwords: per, cent, and age. The per means division, which is the same as ratio or over. The division sign can be represented by over or slash, and it is accepted. So when we have 2 over 4, it is the same as 2 divided by 4. And the word cent is 1/100th of something. The word cent means 1/100th of something. So 100 years is 1 century. That is 100 years. The 100 is always below the division sign or always below the slash. So when we have any number over another number apart from 100, then it is not 100%. Any number over 100 must be expressed as a percentage. For instance, 20 over 100 is 20%. The 100, which is the denominator, is considered as the total of the numbers. It is considered as the total. Though there can be numbers which is greater than 100. There are many numbers greater than 100, but in percentage, it is per cent, over cent, or over 100. So 1/100th of something is the cent. Let's continue. In this case, we can say that the percentage of something is the thing, which can be a number, an amount of money, quantity of people, etc. out of 100. When we have 20 out of 100, it means that 20 over 100 times 100, which is 20%. So 20 out of 100 is 20%. The same applies to any number out of 100. Is that number over 100 times 100, which is the percentage of the same number. And this is the percentage sign. Consists of a division sign which looks like 1 and 2 zeros. And the 2 zeros can represent the 2 zeros of the 100. How is percentage expressed? We have our 20%. And it is expressed as 20 over 100, which is the same as 2 over 10 when it's breaking down. And it is the same as 1/5 or 1 over 5, because 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Or 2 can go into itself 1, it can go into 10 5 times. So 1 over 5. And 1 over 5 is the same as 20% as a fraction. 20% as a fraction. And we have our 90%, which is equal to 90 over 100. We can cancel out the 90 and the 100, and it will remain 9 over 10 as a fraction. This is also percentage expressed as a fraction. This expressed as fraction, and for the 90%, when expressed as a fraction, it can undergo further deduction to obtain a decimal place, or it can undergo further cancellation to obtain a decimal place. Let's check this out. We have our 90 over 100, which is the same as 90%. Therefore, 9 over 10 will be our fraction. But here in this case, since the 10 has only 1 0, we will run only 1 to have 1 decimal place, so it is 0.9. Fractions can be converted to percentages. Fractions can be converted to percentages. Any fraction multiplied by 100 is a percentage. 2 over 7 is a fraction. When multiplied by 100, it is 200% over 7, which is the same as 28.57%. Or when we have 3 over 5, which is a fraction, multiplying 100, we have 3 times 100, which is 300 over 5. Or we can cancel the 5 with the 100 to get 20. And 20 multiplied by 3 is 60%. Or we can just multiply through and divide. So 300 over 5 is equal to 60%. So what